What's up YouTube fam, it's your boy J Will back at it again with another tutorial. Today's video, what we're going to be learning is how to stretch your samples without altering the pitch of it, and we're also going to be learning how to detect that BPM just in case you don't know it. So before we get started, for one, what I need you to do is hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I come out with a new video. And also, what I need you to do is smash that like button. If there isn't anything else, bring in the hook. Alright people, so basically what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play the sample for you before we get started so you can hear what it sounds like. So hear what it sounds like. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out so it can fit these 4 bars. And this is just if you want to alter the current tempo and stuff like that. If you don't want it sitting at a certain tempo, you want to speed it up or maybe even slow it down, you know. This is a great technique to use that as well. So basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead over here to the magnet tool. You want to go ahead and hit that, and then what you want to do is you want to hit none. So if you want to go down to 4 bars or 4 beats, you can, or you can go up to 8 beats. For me, I'm gonna go up to 8 beats. So basically, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, and I'm just gonna drag this all the way right there, and then I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more to make sure it's touching it. So now it's touching it. So now I'm gonna zoom out, and I'm gonna play for you again right now. So here it sounds. This is what it sounds like. Alright, so as you can see, the tone is kind of not what it was when we first started out. So basically we're going to fix that right now. So what you want to do is you want to double click on the sample, and then you want to come over here. See where it says mode and resample? Easy. All you got to do is just hit auto. Once you hit auto, it's going to remodulate everything, and now it's going to sound like its original tone, which is like this. So now you have its original tone. Now it's just at a slower beat. So since it's at a slower beat, you can basically do whatever you want with it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and detect the tempo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring another dream bells up here. Delete that one off. Then bring another dream bell up here. And then we're going to drag that right here. So we're going to go back to bar and stuff like that. So basically, what we're going to do now is we're going to detect the tempo. So right now, what you want to do is you want to basically double click on it again and see what this waveform is right here. You're going to right click it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click edit. Once you click edit, all you're going to do is right click again, go to regions, and detect beats. So now it detected the beats. Now here is your overall tempo right here. You're looking at 80 beats per minute. 80 beats per minute right here. So it instantly found the tempo for you. So you can go to 80 if you want to, or you can double it and go to 60. So it looks like when I stretched it out way out there, it was at 60. And see how it automatically snaps to that at 60? So bam. And then, or you can just go all the way down to 80. And then once it's at 80, see how it does it? Now see what it sounds like. So that it's a little bit, it's at its normal speed right now. So when you mess with the tempo and you go all the way up to 60, it's going to sound the same speed. So if you want to slow the actual sample down, if you want to slow the actual sample down, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and stretch it out. And also make sure the stretch button right here is clicked so that you can stretch it out. All right. So other than that, that's the end of the tutorial. 2 simple ways to modify or find the tempo of your current sample. So what I need you to do is, if you love this video, smash that like button. Once you smash it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And other than that, see you on the next video, and have a good day. Peace.